Why you not like these niggas? I be between the ceiling and the cut. That mean I'm chilling in the cut. Made $1 million in the cut.
Just park my car and she's already waiting there. Cuckoo. Hi. 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 Hey guys, what's up? It's been a long time since I've come back to you with a proper unboxing video, hasn't it? I mean, I think I did one, but it was more a point of view last month. Was it this month? I think it was mid this month. I did more of a point of view, but I don't think I've been in front of the camera like this for a while. But then again, I can't do the smell test without really being in front of the camera, can I? You know, that's like a tradition with every Jordan 1. Before we get into the Jordan 1, like you can see in the title, I got the Crimson Tints, a quick, teeny tiny shopping haul sort of thing, yeah? Right, so first up I have these jeans from Levi's. It's the 512, like you know, my favorite fit to wear with Jordan 1s. And this one is from their Made and Crafted line, which is Japanese denim. A few of these actually are made in Japan, so when they are made in Japan, you'll have like a Japanese flag right here next to the Made and Crafted tag. That's the Made and Crafted tag. It usually has a Japanese flag if it's made in Japan. And also the patch in the back, the rising sun that you see right there would be in red. But this one's made in Turkey. But I love this rising sun embroidery that they have here on the back. Very basic jeans. Otherwise, your stitch marks on the pocket just have the outline like a tan. You don't have the actual stitch there. You have your tab in navy and minimal distressing with a reinforced patch. Yeah, I just love the embroidery detailing here on the back, which is why I actually got these jeans. And then of course Himanshu happened to go to Japan, and when he was there I told him to like swing by a few stores and try and pick up some stuff for me. He was kind enough to go to Undefeated. They had a Japan exclusive drop from which I got this. I've not even opened it, so maybe I'll do it on this video. I got this Japan exclusive Undefeated tee. So thank you Himanshu, as always. All black. The back is the favorite part. It's got your sumo wrestlers with the Undefeated logo. And I also got this pair of socks. Hi, Undefeated socks. Red, yellow and green, very Jamaican mon. And sake flavored Kit Kat. Okay, so that's that. Let's get into the sneaker now, not waste any more time. Ta-da! So I was really undecided about these Crimson Jordans because of the leather, like the black bits. First of all, the color blocking, I know it's classic, like the Breads or the Royals or whatever. But then the leather that they've used, I'm not a big fan of. I mean, I'm still okay if you use very ordinary leather, but at least don't pebble it. Pebbling ruins the look of a shoe, I think. I mean, you remember the All-Stars from 2018? They're just sad. I mean, they're still available. They went into clearance, they went into outlets. And it's primarily because of the pebble leather. It just ruins the look of a shoe. No matter how soft it is, it just ruins the look of a shoe. There you have it. The Crimson Tint Air Jordan 1. I just realized getting them out of the box. Ooh. If you think I enjoy the smell of Jordan 1s, you should get these. These are like I don't know if it's glue this time or chemicals or whatever. Anyway, so I've got that out of the way. Let's get into the sneaker really quickly. Like I was saying, I was watching a lot of reviews because I was very on the fence with the sneaker. The only thing that drew me to this Jordan 1 was these hits of peach. And I like to call them peach, I don't know why, crimson. Especially love how the outsole looks, although I know that this in one wear is going to be totally destroyed. You have the Game Royale type of leather on the toe here, this toe area. It's got a very Game Royale kind of leather. And then the rest of the black, although soft, has been ruined completely. This pebbled finish. You have your regular nylon tongue, and the peach colorway goes on to the Nike Air branding. What's different in this though is that it comes with two lace options, which is very weird. I mean, I understand the pink, right? Because it goes on with the pink peach. Wait, what's the color? Official colorway. Black, crimson tint, white. I'm just gonna call this peach, alright? So I understand this peach, but its lace tips are green, and then you have these green laces. I don't know if it's supposed to pop. What's it supposed to look like? A watermelon, or well, a watermelon would have more of a brighter color over here, not a peach. Huh. And another interesting difference in the sneaker itself is the heel area right here, the padding. It comes in a kind of a satin or a polyester finish. Like I have my Royals right here. So you see what I'm saying with the color blocking, right? The color blocking on these is exactly the same as on a Royal or a Bread. So the heel area over here has this very perforated kind of a finish, whereas on this one it's a very polyester smooth kind of finish, and that pop of bright pink on the insole. There's nothing really extra or different I can tell you about these Jordan 1s. Like any other Jordan 1, go with your true size. I'm just going to lace these on now. I'm going to leave you now with the on-feet bit. If you're new to the channel, or if you've actually been watching my videos for a really long time but haven't subscribed yet, I think now would be a good time, because hey, you come here quite often for the videos, might as well hit the subscribe. And if you like Jordan 1s, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one, you guys. Peace. A quick pointer: whenever you buy your Jordan 1s, and if it's a high, this is how they come laced. The last two lace holes have them in, and then they get tied up into a bunch and thrown in the back right there. So if it comes laced, it's not DS. In every probability, somebody's tried them on.